In this video, we're diving into JobEscape, a platform that claims to help freelancers make money online. But is it truly a solid opportunity or just another scam? Let's examine it closely to determine if it's really worth your time. JobEscape presents itself as a freelancing hub where users can improve their skills and find work. It states that it connects freelancers with businesses seeking services such as graphic design, content writing, and digital marketing. Before investing your time and effort, it's important to understand how the platform actually works as a money-making tool. One method to earn is by completing freelance gigs. You start by creating a profile, highlighting your abilities, and bidding on available jobs. If a client chooses you, you receive payment once the project is finished. However, several users have mentioned that getting hired is quite challenging unless you already have advanced experience due to the high level of competition. Another income route is through JobEscape's paid courses and certifications, which are promoted as ways to enhance your skills and improve job prospects. But there's an important detail to consider. Numerous users have stated that these courses are expensive and fail to offer substantial value, so it's wise to think carefully before spending money on them. The platform also features a referral program that pays commissions for bringing in new users. At first glance, it appears to be a simple way to earn extra income, but this is where concerns begin to emerge. Some users have expressed that the referral program resembles a pyramid scheme, where the primary earnings stem from recruiting others rather than actual freelance work. Let's take a deeper look at whether JobEscape is a legitimate opportunity or just another questionable online platform. A major issue is the limited availability of contact options. The platform provides only an email address and a basic contact form, with no phone support or live chat, which casts doubt on their transparency and responsiveness. Another concern lies in the reviews posted on Trustpilot and other feedback sites. Although there are numerous 5-star ratings, a closer look reveals that many seem artificial or scripted. The tone of writing is unusually consistent across different reviews, and most reviewers have submitted only one review in total, which is rare for authentic users. In contrast, the negative reviews present a very different picture. Many users have faced difficulties withdrawing their earnings, encountered long delays, or had their accounts suspended without clear justification. Additional complaints include undisclosed charges, unauthorized transactions, and course content that fails to meet expectations based on its price. The platform's presence on social media also raises questions. Their pages have low levels of user interaction, and multiple users claim that critical comments are removed, suggesting the platform may be more focused on managing its image than addressing user concerns. So, is it possible to earn money through JobEscape? Technically, yes, but it's far from straightforward. If you're already an experienced freelancer with an impressive portfolio, you might be able to secure a few jobs. However, for the majority of users, the platform's dependence on referrals, lack of customer support, and overall lack of transparency make it a questionable option. Now, if you want to increase your income without taking on another job that drains you, there's a better way. It's called high-ticket digital marketing, and it's making ordinary people a full-time income within 1 year of starting. I took a 5-day video course to learn these skills and get my business set up within a week. If you're sick of working too much and still being broke, this could completely change your life. Click the link in the description to get started.